Good morning, y'all. We're gonna look at the charts, but before we do, we had news this morning. We had retail sales month over month this morning at 8:30. So we're gonna be taking a look at what that did to the charts. Let's go ahead and look at NQ and ES. This is gonna be a little interesting. All right. So looking at the charts, it looks like price is a bit bullish, but I believe that price is only pumping to send price to an inefficiency and to take out these highs, right? So because price always moves from external range liquidity to internal range liquidity. So this external range liquidity here was already taken on the higher time frame, right here, and it came down to rebalance. Internal range liquidity if you look on the lower time frame here, but there is a divergence, a bullish divergence here that sent price higher, right? So NQ is a stronger ticker, price is heading up. We're gonna wait for price to head up into this higher time frame imbalance right here, this 15-minute imbalance, to see what it does. Because right now we are still at a discount. So if we're gonna be looking shorts, then we want price to be at a premium, right? If we want to go long, then we want price to come back down into a discount. Right now, it's kind of in the middle of both. I could definitely think that price is looking a little bullish here, but this could be manipulation up to send price down lower. All right, so I'm actually tempted to take this 4R trade. If you look, there are equal highs right here, and price is showing. Price is holding bullish price action at the moment. So if you look at the 1 minute, price held this fair value gap, kind of, and it came down. There's a volume imbalance here, and as it's continuing up, it's continuing to hold bullish PD arrays. So I'm very tempted to take this long up for 87 ticks, stop loss. It's a little bit higher now, so maybe it'll be like 118 ticks. It's gonna drop it to about 2 contracts. $109. 3 contracts ish. So I'm actually thinking about taking this up. The only problem is that it's 9:06. Okay, so New York Open hasn't happened yet. So this is actually good training for me. I want to take this long. I do have pretty high conviction that it could head to those relative equal highs right here. That's also present in the 5 minute. The only thing is that if this is manipulation up before the true move down, then I'm gonna be stopped out. So I am going to wait. I am going to wait until after 9:30 for price to reveal where it's actually going. So this is actually really good trading for me. Like I think maybe even like a month ago, I would have entered this trade without even thinking about it. All right, y'all. I entered this this short right here. So price took out previous session New York AM high. I'm using that as a confluence to base my short to come down into previous day's lows. So if you look at the chart right now, this is basically my position, my short position here. I did take another short before. It was a bad short. Let me just share with you my execution. I accidentally hit sell twice. I took profits here for 4 of them, and then I let the other one stop out right here because I thought that this fair value gap right here, I thought this was going to be a protected high, but price decided to take it out and then rebalance this inefficiency to send price down a little bit lower. So that's where I took my short right here. I took my short right when it broke this previous high to send price down lower. I could be wrong, but my stop loss is up here. That's going to be about, what is that? 140 tick stop loss. So I'm in for 2 contracts across 5 accounts, as y'all can see here. That loss put me down, set me back about $150. So that was a $226 losing trade, which should have only been $150. So that's mistake number 1. Didn't manage my risk pretty well on that one. $299 ticks. I have my finger on the button just in case it wants to reverse. I'm out. I don't want to wait. All right, cool. That's 1 trade in. Okay. So that's my this is my position that I'm going to be entering here. See how this pans out. All right, y'all. So price looks like it wants to head down lower right now. If this inverses, then I'm just going to move my buy or my sell down. I know I have my order set and placed, but if this inverses, then we're going to head down lower. So I'm going to move my take profit to here, or sorry, my sell stop here, and then I am going to swing this down to about here. Let's see if price wants to come back up and tag into that. That would mean this position should be 27 ticks. It's actually 4 contracts. So let me change that to 4 contracts. And then I am gonna take that down to previous day's lows, which is right here. So at 150, 150. All right, I'm tagged in. Let's see how this position does. Man, why do I have a feeling I'm gonna get stopped out? It's gonna take out internal liquidity here and then send price down lower. Definitely possible. But then that would change the order flow to bullish, and I believe that the order flow is bearish because it closed. Because it inversed the fair value gap. But we'll see. What's it doing? This looks bearish to me. Actually tempted to scale in more. I don't know why, but I'm not going to. You should start to see an acceleration of price come down from here. If it doesn't, then it doesn't, but that's just what I'm expecting. It's kind of what I see, or what I've been seeing in price behavior. That way, once it breaks this low, I can trail my stop. Come on, you can do it. You can just start heading down now. Trailing my stop. So a little above, a little below break even. I am expecting just a waterfall down. I would not like to see this bearish fair value gap to inverse here. That would not be a good sign for me. So right now price is tapping into this bearish order block and this bearish fair value gap. Not realistically, but if my TA is correct, then price should head down lower. So right now this fair value gap is being respected with this order block right here. All right, cool. So my analysis with these equal highs being taken for internal range liquidity to come down could be correct. Just gonna take 2R there. Selling 10 there. All right now price is kind of teetering, but still respecting bearish PD arrays at the moment. Really need to see what price does. And then if price dumps here, then I'm going to move my take profit. Sorry. If price dumps here, then I'm going to move my my buy stop to 2R so that I will be exited with a total of 2R. I just want to see an acceleration in price down. If that happens, then I know that we're still bearish. Okay, we can see that acceleration here. Will it waterfall? There we go. Waterfalls are the best. Moving my stop down to this high here for now. Until I see price come down to about the 168 level, I'm not going to bring it back. I'm not going to bring it down to the 2R level. It needs some breathing room. It needs to take this low. There we go. There's that acceleration I was looking for. Now 2R is locked in, okay? So I can't lose this position. The only thing I could lose is my trailing drawdown max. I don't really care about that. What I care about is this position here and how I've scaled it down to only lose 2R. My next trail will be here. If it breaks this and kind of goes all the way through, then I'm going to trail my stop down to here. It had already broken this low, so I'm going to be looking to see, hold on, let me just draw that out. I'm going to trail my stop loss down to here once I see an acceleration down, okay, down to here. So that's going to be my next trail. And then if it comes up and hits 2R, then it hits 2R. I'm okay with that. Okay. Put me out of my misery. Do not like price action like this. So just take out my stop. Bam! I'm done. I am done. Alright, so far, with that trade, I have done $403.24 for the day. Max run up was at $583. Wow. Should have just taken profits, huh? But it's okay. Largest losing trade was 226. And I took these trades here, ES and MNQ. That last trade took about 47 minutes. I actually do believe price will head down lower. Should I enter another contract? No, I'm done. I'm done. I am done. I need to close out my laptop. All right. So there's no working orders. I closed everything out. It's a good sign. Okay, just in case. All right. So $403.24 on one account, $409.74 on two accounts. So I'll give you all the total later. All right, just so y'all know, I am very, very tempted to take another short down, but I'm not going to. I'm going to be disciplined, and I'm going to be done with what I have today. All right. 409.74 on number 52, number 53, 409.74. I don't know if y'all can see that. All right, number 52, 409.74. Number 53, 409.74. Number 55, 403.24. Number 54, 405.74. And number 56, 405.74. Now, I'm not sure why they're all like the total number is a little bit different when all of them look the same. Yeah, I just don't know why, but it's okay. It's not a problem. The trade copier did its job. I did my job in taking profits, and today was a great day. I actually showed a lot of discipline. The one trade that I wished I was a little bit more patient on, but it is what it is, was this short right here that I took on MNQ, where I got stopped out. I accidentally hit the sell button twice, so I had 8 contracts total. I took 4 here, and then I let this one stop out here. I actually should have had my stop loss up here, but then my risk management would have been very poor, which it was, because that was the trade that I lost $226 on, right? But then I saw that this took out this liquidity, rebalanced this fair value gap, and I shorted here because of that, and wrote it down to here. So overall today, I think I had a pretty good day. I mean, I can't complain with how I traded today. On MES, I took 1 trade. So it says that I took 6 trades total. That's not true. I basically had 6 different trades total, but the positions I only had 3. Okay, so keep that in mind. There was only 3 trades total, 1 trade loss, and then 2 trades won. Okay. Took 4 trades here at this fair value gap, 4 shorts. I sold 2 at 2R, and then I sold another 2 at 2R. So yeah, I mean that's basically my day. In the comments below, let me know how y'all did today. I'm very curious to see how y'all are doing, how y'all are progressing, and I want to have this channel just, you know, be a journal of my trades, my wins and my losses, and I want y'all to take the information to make yourself better as well, right? So we're all in this together, right? Y'all can learn from my mistakes, y'all can learn from my successes. So I want to do the same. In the comments below, let me know your successes and your losses so that we can all learn from each other. Also, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. hit the like button, join me on my journey, and if y'all want to take advantage of Apex's 80% off sale, there's a link in the description below. That's what I'm using to, trade 5 accounts at once, as y'all can see here. And I'll catch y'all tomorrow.